Hey everyone, Dev here. If you're searching for a niche that literally no one has started yet, this video is for you. If someone asks me what the best passive income methods in 2024 are, I'd say YouTube automation and the TikTok creativity program. With the rapid development of AI, creating videos and finding content ideas is really easy. That's why these two are the best passive income methods in 2024. You can use the same videos for both TikTok and YouTube. It doesn't matter. With this niche, you can make at least $2,000 a month from both TikTok and YouTube. I'm going to call this niche the Futuristic Sci-Fi Stories niche. Let me show you an example video first. In the year 2099, humanity faced an unimaginable threat. It began on a quiet night when astronomers detected an anomaly in the sky, a fleet of massive alien ships approaching Earth. Panic ensued as the world's governments scrambled to respond. The invaders, known as the Zarath, communicated their demands through a chilling broadcast. So in this niche, we'll be creating futuristic sci-fi stories. But there's a problem. The TikTok creativity program is only available in a few countries. Should I just give up? Wait, there's a solution? Really? What's that? A couple of months ago, I found this website where you can buy monetized TikTok accounts. Wait, what? So it's not just USA TikTok accounts, but these accounts are already accepted into the TikTok creativity program? Yep, you don't have to worry about getting accepted. You just need to start posting videos and making money. That sounds amazing. I'm gonna buy one, but remember to follow their guidelines and steps correctly, or you could lose your money. I'll leave the link in the description. If you want, you can buy a TikTok account from that website. It's up to you. Use this promo code to get a 20% discount. Now let's start the video creation process. I'll show you two methods to make videos for this niche. The first one is the manual method, and the second one is using a YouTube automation AI. Let's start with the manual method. We need to create a script first. As usual, I'm going to use ChatGPT for this process. Let's go to ChatGPT and create the script. For this process, I have created a prompt. I will leave this prompt as a comment on this video. You can use this same prompt, just change the topic of your video when using it. Let's generate it. This story is really good. If you want, you can read this story and convert it into your own words. It's up to you. I'm going with the original story. Now we need to generate voiceovers for this. As usual, we can use 11 Labs for it. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with it. So let's go to 11 Labs and create the voiceovers. You can select a suitable voice from here. Then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated part by part. So just like this, create the voiceovers for the whole script. Now we need to generate images for this script. I'm going to go to Leonardo AI and create some images. Let's select this model. I think it would be good for this script. Now you need to read the script part by part and generate images. This process will take several minutes. Make sure those images match the script. After you generate all the images, you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit the video. I know this process will consume a lot of your time, creating scripts, making voiceovers, generating images, and finally editing them all. Let me show you an easier method to automate this entire process. For this, I'm going to use a new AI tool called AutoShorts AI. Let me tell you why this AI tool is really good for this niche. This AI will do everything: script writing, image generation, editing, and uploading your videos to your channel with titles and descriptions. Basically, you don't have to worry about anything. The crazy thing is that all videos generated by this AI tool are unique and new, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. When it comes to monetization, this is a huge issue. You cannot use copyrighted content or reused content. AutoShorts AI will generate unique and new videos every time. With AutoShorts AI, you can manage several YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or workload. If you want, you can get this AI from the link in the description. So let's see how this AI works. First, you need to sign up for this AI. you can sign up for free. They have 3 plans. The first one is the starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week, and it's only $19. Then we have the daily plan for $39, where you can upload 1 video per day. Finally, we have the hardcore plan for $69, where you can upload 2 videos per day. You don't have to pay for the whole year like other tools. You can just try this for a month and see the results. Okay, let's create a video for our niche with this AI. After you sign up, go to Create. Then you will come to this page. Here you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to this AI. When your video is completed, this AI will upload it to your connected YouTube channel. If you don't want to do that, you can simply select the email option. They will email the final output to you. I'm going to select the email option because I prefer to upload the video myself. Okay, with this drop-down menu, you can select your niche. As you can see here, they have included all the trending niches: scary stories, motivation, random stories, funny stories, philosophy, and much more. You can even enter your custom niche, and they will create a video for it. For this niche, we need to go with the custom niche option. You can use the same prompt we used before. The next step is to select a good AI voice for our video. Now you need to check these voices and select a matching voice for this video. I think this voice would be suitable. I'll select it. Remember to select a good voice because the voiceover plays a huge part in going viral on YouTube or TikTok. Then you can select a preferred language. As you can see here, they have around 20 languages. So if you're planning to target an audience from a specific country, you can use this option to change the language of the video. If you want to target an international audience, use English. Now we need to select the duration of this video. If you're planning to upload these videos to both TikTok and YouTube, I recommend selecting a 30 to 60 second duration. That's all, guys. Once you enter all this information, you can create your video. After this process is completed, click the Create a Series button and it will start generating the video series. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to generate your video. While your video is generating, you can see all the information here, the title of your video and the full script. Now let's see the final result from this AI. As you can see here, they have even created a thumbnail for this video. Let's play it. Imagine it's the year 2050. The world has united under a single banner of peace. Yet an unanticipated threat looms from the cosmos. One fateful night, astronomers detect colossal ships approaching Earth. Panic spreads as the alien armada begins their descent. Cities fall under their advanced weaponry, and humanity's technology proves futile. However, amidst the chaos, a group of scientists unveils. Perfect. It's really hard to make images match a video script, but this AI tool has nailed it. All the images I saw in that video are perfectly matched to the script, and the captions have been generated with cool style and animations. It's perfect as well. So if you don't have the time or skill to make these videos, this AI tool is the best option. Consider it an investment. I hope you guys have learned some valuable information from this video. If you'd like to see new niche ideas and new AI tools, stick with my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, drop a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. I wish you the best of luck. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more tips and tricks on creating amazing faceless YouTube videos with AI. Thanks for watching.